pulled turkey from the Z Grill, guys. Let's get involved. Woo! Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, it's the return of Steve Wheeler. He's going to be coming in and tearing it up on the guitar alongside Brett Norton. These guys are going to light it up, along with Kerry Jordan. Going to be killing that bass tonight, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So, what are we cooking tonight? Guys, tonight on the Z Grill, we're going to be hitting 325, cooking up some pulled turkey. It's going to be incredible. I'm going to show you guys how to do it here in just a minute. So, without further ado, let's get involved, people. Boom! All right, here we go. We have a 13-pound turkey. I have defrosted this thing, and I'm going to be cleaning it out and spatchcocking it, and after I'm done spatchcocking, I'm just going to cut the thing right in half so I can cook it in 2 different pans. So here we go. Okay, so to start with, we're going to spatchcock this. So basically it means we're going to be taking and removing this spine. You can do this with a nice big butcher's knife, or you can do this with some really good shears. See how the shears do. Might have to put a little backbone into it. Now that we've removed the spine, we're going to flip it over, breast side up. We're going to press it down in the middle on the breastbone and lay it flat. And these are going to fit perfectly in those pans that my lovely wife picked up today. Thank you very much, honey. Group effort, and a shout out to my sister Lauren for picking up the bird. Man, I've got so many people helping me out over here. I need all the help I can get, though. Clearly, yes, I need help. All right, so now that we've got this turkey in half, I've removed the breastbone. We're going to be patting it dry, putting on some mayonnaise for a binder, and using some BBQ Jams rub, and then popping them in our pan. So here we go. All right, now that we're all patted dry, we're gonna leave the skin on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the skin side up with the seasoning, and then I'm gonna flip over and I'm gonna be putting it in the pan, skin side down, along with 1 stick of butter per pan. All right, so now that these birds are all seasoned up, or bird is seasoned up, I'm gonna take a stick of butter, put it in the pan. We're gonna stick this in the Z Grill, let it melt, and then we're gonna be popping these birds skin side down into these 2 pans. So here we go. While the butter is melting, we're gonna let this seasoning adhere to the bird for a little bit, and then we're gonna be popping them in the smoker here in just a second. So you guys hang tight. Enjoy these jams, we'll be right back. I'm gonna put these birds in this pan over here. I've got the butter melted down quite a bit. I'm gonna be putting the skin side down again. And they're going on the Z Grill. Here we go. Sweet. Hey, here we go. I'm gonna be using these Z Grill Pros here. We're looking for an internal temp of about 165. I'm probably going to let them go to about 180, honestly, because I want these things to cook down so we can shred them up nicely. One. There's 2. All right, cool. All right. While these guys are cooking, you guys enjoy these jams. We'll be right back. we are up to temp. It's time to pull. Here we go, guys. Woo, they're looking good. Smells amazing. This Z Grill is rocking the house. Now it's time to start pulling these birds, so here we go. Let's bring the guys on. Let's try out these sliders and see what they think. So here we go. Who do we have over here? We've got all sorts of people over here. We have Kerry Jordan. We also have Brett Norton. You guys ready to come in and get involved? We have Steve Wheeler here as well, but he's holding out. He's going to be over here in just a little bit. So, what's up, man?
Hey, man.
How's it going?
Good. These things look killer.
They are killer. They are killer. They're cooling off really fast. So I want to get you guys in and grab some. So I know you were looking for that mayonnaise, Mr. Jordan, but hey, look, let's give it a shot here before we go for the mayonnaise. But
no, I'm fine with it.
You're all
Let's
good?
do it.
All right, cool.
Let's go.
Grab one.
Get you one.
And let's do
All
it.
Get this guy on the corner.
Ooh, yeah.
Get a little corner one. I'm gonna get a little mid.
Oh,
middle.
Cold turkey. Here we, oh yeah, just go for it, bro. There you go. Yeah. Woo.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers, everybody. Ooh,
Dynamite.
it's a whole different level of turkey.
Man, the turkey's always dry. This is definitely not that.
No.
Thank you very
This
much.
is very
I'll
good.
take back everything I said about the mayonnaise.
Oh, you done? All right. Ooh, God, man, this settles in real nicely, right? Mayonnaise is always good, though. I love it.
Damn. Well, I mean, it was sitting over there, so.
Looking at you. You want to put a little mayonnaise on that sandwich right there, boy?
I guess go watch the video to figure out why the mayonnaise is there.
Oh, man. Hey, thank you guys so much for being here and wanting to jam.
All right, dude.
Brett rescued us tonight for coming in, saving the day on these jams tonight. Thank you so much.
Glad to be here.
Oh, man. Well, hey, always a pleasure, sir.
Killer.
And I'm going to bring in some of these other guys to see what's up. So we have Martine, we have Cooper, we have Arthur, we have Greg, we have James Salzer, we have David Lee. Come on down, guys. Y'all just grab one and go.
This is really good, man.
Yeah, man. Turned out great.
Wow. Perfect. That is amazing.
Bon appetit, bon appetit.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That is so good.
You got a turkey slider right there, baby.
Wow. Say rattling in Poland?
Yeah.
I'm all about rattling in Poland.
Bro.
I'm stepping back. Okay? I'm stepping back.
Thanks, bud.
Thank you.
Oh, good.
So
Appreciate you guys. Yeah, man. Oh, man, y'all are.
Yeah.
You guys want to come and get involved?
Dude, JD. Wow, man. Well, that's
What's up, dude?
Oh, it's good to see you
You
again.
too, brother.
Thanks for having me on the show once more.
Hey, I do what I can.
I heard things are growing exponentially.
Hey, it's all gravy, baby. I know.
Man,
We're cooking right along over here. It's awesome.
You keep doing jams like that, it's gonna grow crazy.
That's what we're doing, man. We're having a ball over here, people. Come on.
That's wonderful. Thanks
Speaking of having
again.
a ball, grab one of those Sammys.
Wonderful.
Yeah. No balls over here, sir, on these Sammys.
damn.
There's other balls. Look at those.
Don't keep me awake.
Yeah, you're good.
Steve, man.
All right. Come on in, James Salzer.
Too early.
All right. This is interesting.
Oh, you got a bone? That's the fish bone.
I have plenty of that at home.
Damn.
All right.
This is really great.
Hey, all right.
It's the way turkey should be, man.
Yeah, that's right.
Wonderful.
Oh, there it is. It's always wonderful with James Salisbury. Guys, we're having a ball. You guys need to get involved in these turkey sliders. They're so good. Pulled turkey is on the menu this Thanksgiving. Let's get involved, guys. We'll see you guys back here in a minute.
Hey guys, we had an excellent show tonight. The turkey turned out incredible. What'd you guys think of that turkey tonight? So good. Oh my god, you guys totally need to check that out. So good. Also, quick shout out to Derek Anner for the from the merch company. Thank you very much. Always supporting us, buddy. I appreciate you. And I think that's a wrap for tonight, guys. So until next time, let's get involved.
Yeah.